Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Ania Kolbuszewska and my workshop is Who's Afraid of Pronunciation? Teachers are sometimes afraid to teach pronunciation and ignore it in the hope that students will miraculously pick up the right pronunciation. And this fear is very often present among teachers whose first language is not English, who worry that they're not good models because their English has traces of the L1 accent. And so the question is really, what kind of pronunciation do we teach? And this is just one aspect of a much broader question. Do we teach English so that our students will be able to communicate with English speakers only? Or do we teach them to be able to communicate with people of different language backgrounds? In this practical workshop, we will try to answer these crucial questions. We will also look at how we can move the focus of pronunciation teaching from teaching based on hearing, where students repeat after listening to a model, to pronunciation teaching based on visual stimuli. This shift helps us and our students to move away from a vicious circle of teacher modeling, students not hearing the difference, and everyone getting frustrated and giving up on pronunciation altogether. Pronunciation teaching can be not only effective, but also a lot of fun. And it's the fun of it that we will dive into in this session.